The menopausal transition inside a woman's body is marked by many changes and symptoms. Most common are hot flashes, weight gain, sleep issues, mood swings, etc. But a lesser known change that occurs during this menopausal transition is the change in your gut microbiota. Hi everyone and welcome back to the Menopause Made Simple series. Today's episode is all about gut health and menopause, the most overlooked connection. Many women, they are doing everything right during their menopause phase. They are eating right, exercising, sleeping well, managing their stress, and yet they are not able to lose weight. They are struggling with bloating, mood swings, fatigue, low energy levels and weight gain. What if I told you the missing link could be your gut health? So in today's episode, we are going to see how your gut affects your hormones and how gut health is very important during menopause. In this series of menopause, we have spoken about the signs and symptoms, nutrition, exercise. We have also spoken about how to deal with sleep, stress and mood swings. But today we are going to discuss about gut health because without good gut health, nothing else works optimally. Gut health is very important for overall well-being. Menopause significantly affects gut health. Your gut is not just about digestion. It is home to trillions of bacteria which affect and have many functions inside your body. Your gut microbiome affects your digestion, it affects your assimilation. It also influences your immunity, your moods, your inflammation inside the body. Most importantly, it affects your hormones during menopause. Now, a healthy gut means diversity and balance of good bacteria. On the contrary, an unhealthy gut leads to bloating, constipation, acidity. It also causes stubborn belly fat, cravings and fatigue. So how is the gut and menopause connected? There is a group of gut bacteria inside you which is called as the estrobolome. Now the function of the estrobolome is to regulate how estrogen is metabolized and recycled inside your body. The hormones estrogen and progesterone are connected to each other via the estrobolome. Now the estrobolome refers to microbes which are responsible for metabolizing estrogen and also how estrogen is circulated inside your body. So when your gut is imbalanced, these two functions are affected. On the other hand, what happens during menopause when your estrogen levels drop? That is the time it affects your gut. So both can affect each other. So if you have an unhealthy gut, the way your estrogen is metabolized and circulated gets affected. And during menopause, what happens? Your estrogen levels go down, because of which your gut gets affected directly. So if your gut is unhealthy, your estrogen metabolism gets affected. So it worsens the symptoms of hot flashes, mood swings, night sweats. It also leads to brain fog, inflammation and weight gain. So menopause symptoms are not just about low estrogen, it is also poor handling of estrogen by your gut. Now during menopause, when hormonal fluctuations are happening inside your body, it affects every organ or every part of your body. This includes your gut also. So these fluctuations, they lead to digestive discomfort and symptoms like acid reflux, constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and the most common symptom observed is bloating. In fact, many women experience digestive issues for the first time in their life during the perimenopause phase. So when your estrogen levels drop, the first thing that happens is your composition of your gut bacteria changes. Now there is an imbalance in the good and the bad bacteria. It also increases the permeability of the gut barrier, and this leads to many digestive issues like bloating, food intolerances and even IBS. As you can now see that estrogen and gut are very much codependent on each other. The functioning of one affects the other. That is the reason it is very important that you work to improve on your gut health during the menopause phase. Working on your gut health will help you to alleviate or reduce the intensity of your menopausal symptoms. Now just the way a poor gut can actually affect your menopause symptoms, similarly menopause also affects your gut health in a very negative way. Now this is because during menopause you have hormonal fluctuation, there is increased stress and cortisol, you have poor sleep, low fiber intake. Now if you have done overuse of antacids, antibiotics or painkillers, this will further worsen your gut. So most of the women, they have been doing years of dieting and restrictive eating. So this has really messed up their gut. So now you are in a kind of a vicious cycle. Hormonal imbalances are spoiling your gut health, and because your gut is not in good health, it is your menopausal symptoms are getting worsened. Now the most common gut related symptoms are bloating. Even if you had a very light meal also, you constantly feel bloated. There are sudden increase in cravings. There is constipation or irregular bowel movement. You are experiencing sudden food intolerances. There are mood changes, low motivation, and despite doing all the efforts, many women fail to lose weight during this period. In fact, many women, they experience digestive issues for the first time in their life with the onset of perimenopause. Number one is to have enough fiber in your diet. Now in the current scenario, most of us are having highly processed foods, which are devoid of fiber. Try to include as much as whole grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. in your diet. The good bacteria inside your gut requires fiber to feed on. Hence, increase fiber gradually because even excess fiber can cause bloating. So try to have a balanced, wholesome, nutritious diet. Second is add fermented foods to your diet. Now natural probiotics are very good for your gut. So include as far as possible homemade options like curd, buttermilk, fermented foods like dosa, idli, and also a variety of pickles which are naturally fermented and not vinegar based. Third is have enough protein and healthy fats. Now protein helps in repairing your gut lining. So include protein rich foods in your diet and healthy fats like ghee and cold pressed oils in moderation. Now some foods worsen your gut inflammation during menopause. So try to avoid excess sugar, excess caffeine, ultra processed foods, then alcohol, refined flour or maida and its products. Remember, your gut is the most sensitive during menopause. Fifth is managing stress. Now your gut and your brain are directly connected. So if you're chronically stressed all the time, it destroys the good bacteria. The gut and the brain communicate to each other via a gut-brain axis. So if you're stressed out, anxious and worried all the time, it worsens your gut issues. So in menopause, what happens? There is a drop in your hormones. So this directly affects your gut-brain axis. So in fact, your gut motility gets affected. Now this is how the food inside your body moves through the gut. So this is the reason you experience constipation or diarrhea or abdominal pain and even bloating. So inculcate simple habits to reduce your stress levels. Go for walks, sleep on time, practice mindful eating, then do yoga, do pranayam. All of these things will help you to bring down your stress level. Also consider including a probiotic supplement. Talk to your doctor which would be an appropriate one for you. Probiotic supplements are a good way to boost the good bacteria inside your gut. So an unhealthy gut increases inflammation and insulin resistance. So this in fact makes weight loss very difficult. Many women, they start experiencing that they have started gaining weight around their abdominal area or belly fat. So when you start healing your gut, it not only improves your digestion, but it also improves your hormonal balance, energy levels, mood, and even long-term weight management. So as you can see, gut health is very crucial to weight loss also. Menopause is the final stage of reproductive aging in women. It is not just about managing symptoms. It is about building resilience from within. When you heal your gut, you are not just improving your digestion, you are supporting your hormones, metabolism and mental health. So we are finally coming to an end to the Menopause Made Simple series. Just one more episode to go. In the next episode, we will be talking about thriving through post-menopause. How can you reclaim your energy, strength and confidence? If this episode helped you to understand menopause better, please do share it with a woman who needs to hear this. Also do check out the previous episodes on my channel. That's all for today's episode. So until the next episode, do take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.